In December 2016, the Crimea Institute became the forerunner in signing the Armed Forces Covenant in Nottingham with 16 other Muslim-owned businesses in March 2019. A further 16 Muslim-owned businesses showed their keenness to commit to supporting members of the armed forces. The Crimea Institute Sergeant Major retired Craig Rutter, jointly with the Ministry of Defense Regional Employer Engagement Director Colonel retired John S. Wilson, brought together businesses at the Nottinghamshire County Hall to sign the covenant in the presence of Chairperson of Nottinghamshire County Council, member of the Lieutenancy Team Colonel David Sneath, 7th Infantry Brigade, and HQ East Lieutenant Colonel East Spires, Lord Mayor of Doncaster Majid Khan, and CEO of Crimea Institute Dr. Musharraf Hussain. This significant commitment has already had a huge impact across Nottinghamshire, as well as formalizing their support for the armed forces. These businesses will also offer practical help. This help will include employing veterans and facilitating the needs of reserves on their staff with support and appropriate level of leave to work and train. Sayyid Ali Muhammad, UG News.